Okay, now we continue with example 1 for least square straight line fit. Okay, find the least square straight line fit to the 4 points 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, 4 and 3, 4. See figure 6.5.3. Okay, given figure, this figure. So, how you want to find this least square straight line fit? So, what you can do is you determine what is M. So, M here is 1, and then you remember the value of what we have studied before. Okay, if we refer to equation 3 from the last lecture, we have y equals to y1, y2 until yn, and m equals to 1, x1, and v is equals to ab. So here we write m equals to 1, here is x. Okay, this is x. Okay, the value of x. So you know the value of x. This is, you take here from x 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, all of this is the value of x. Okay, and then you have y. Y, you know the value of y is equals to 1, 3. Okay, you have 1, 3, and then 4 and 4. Okay, and we have v is equals to a, b. Okay, so from m you can find the m transpose m. Okay, m transpose m. So you can transpose m. M transpose. How to find m transpose? Firstly, you have to transpose the m. So if you transpose m, what you get? Okay, how do you want to find m transpose? So m transpose is equals to 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 1, oh sorry, okay, 0, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this is m transpose. So when you want to find m transpose m, you have to times with, so m transpose m. Okay, so what you can do is m transpose m. Okay, why? All right. Okay, so m, what happened? So m transpose m So we have to erase first, and then we took. Alright, so M transpose M, so you have to write 1 0 1 1 1 1 2 3 times M times this one. Alright, so you will get this answer. So you will get this answer. Okay, you will get this answer. Okay, hope you know how to calculate this. And from M transpose M, you can find the inverse of M transpose M. So you find the inverse, you will get this value. Okay, so we know that from the formula. Okay, from this formula, okay, you know you want to find V. Okay, we want to find V. So V, you want to find V is equals to M transpose Y divided by M transpose M. Okay, so this formula, so V that you want to find, V, the value of AB is M transpose M inverse M. Sorry. Okay, so you want to find this one. Alright, so just put the value 1 over 10 times, okay, 7, 3, put here the value of M transpose M, M transpose, this is M transpose, times Y, and this, if you calculate, you will get the value of A and B, that is 1.5 and 1. So when you get the value of B, A and B, so you can put the formula. You know that we have the formula Y equals to AX plus B. So just put the value of A and B. So you will get the line of Y equals to 1.5 plus 8. So this is the line that we get. Okay. Okay, let's see, we have example 2. This is the spring constants. Okay, so if you are studying physics law, we have a Hooke's law in physics that state that the length of x of a uniform spring is a linear function, okay, of the force Y applied to it. If we express this relation as Y equals to A plus BX, then the coefficient B is called the spring constant. Okay. Alright. Okay, suppose a particular unstretched spring has a measured length of 6.1 inch. That is, x equals to 6.1 when y equals to 0. So, as illustrated in figure 6.5.4, there are various weights are attached to the end of the spring. Okay, here we attach a various weight. So, find the least square straight line fit to the data and use it approximate the spring constant. So you are given the weight. If the spring put the weight 0, so the length will be 6.1. Okay, when you put more weight, so the spring will be more, the length will be more than before. Okay, so how to solve this? So by using mathematical problem, y equals to ax plus b to the 4 data points. Okay, from here you can find m. Okay, m. So if you remember, this is the value of x and this is the value of y. Okay, so v equals to ab. So as before, you can find v using the formula given, and you will get the value of v, that is least square straight line feet. Okay, you want to find the least square straight line feet, so you will get ab is negative 8.6, 1.5. So what is y? Okay, you want to find the, okay, there's the estimated value of spring is 1.4 pounds. So y equals to ax plus b. So what is a? Negative 8.6x plus 1.4. Okay, so this is the line. Okay, so this, so the question just now, you want to find the least square straight line feet. So this is the least square straight line feet, and use it to approximate the spring of constant. So so B is called the spring constant. The question is you want to approximate the spring constants, mean that you want to find B. Okay, so you get the value of B. This one is A, this one is B. So you get the spring constant is 1.4. That is the value of B. Alright, so this is how to find the best fit for the straight line. Okay, so you can do the exercise in the books, the reference books. There are lots of exercise. You can try the exercise.